हो गया. Good morning, students. In my previous class, I taught you second chapter of your course book, Traveling with Grandfather's Jew, written by Ruskin Bond. Now, it's the time for question and answer. The first question of comprehension section, match. You have to match the names with the characters, and whatever I think, if you read this chapter carefully, you can do this question by your own. Now, the second question is, question number B. The first question is, where was the narrator going? And now, answer is, the narrator was going to Lucknow to spend some times with his aunt माबेल. नरेटर कहाँ जा रहा था? नरेटर कुछ महीने अपने आंटी के साथ, माबेल के साथ लखनऊ बिताने जा रहा था. Now we will discuss on its second question. Now question number 2. Who were the narrator's traveling companions? The pet parrot Popoe, Timothy, the teenage tiger, Chips, the little squirrel, and python are were the narrator's traveling companions. Okay. Now your third question is, how was Timothy better behaved than other people, other passengers? Timothy was better behaved than most of the passengers because he had nothing stolen from the vendors, no shouting at coolies, no breaking of railway properties, and no spitting on the platform. तिमोथी जो एक टाइगर था, उसने बहुत अच्छा बिहेव किया, क्योंकि उसने ना तो किसी वेंडर का कोई सामान चुराया, ना ही वो कूली जो होते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म पे, ना ही तो उन पे गुर्राया चिल्लाया, ना ही उसने रेलवे का कोई प्रॉपर्टी बर्बाद किया, और ना ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे कहीं लार गिराया या थूका. Now, question number 4. What happened to the family's dinner? When I was teaching you that chapter, I told you, when the narrator felt hungry and pulled the basket in which grandmother kept some delicious items for dinner, then what happened? When the family was ready for dinner, all items had been finished by the python. which were kept by grandmother for dinner. वो सारा कुछ खा चुका था, सिर्फ एप्पल छोड़ दिया था. Now question number 5. What does grandfather do to the unwelcome visitor? Remember, when Aunt Mabel opened the lid of the tiffin, she just saw a python curl into the tiffin and she fade away. Then what happened? Then grandfather promptly picked up the unwelcomed visitor. Here, unwelcomed visitor means the python, because grandfather didn't want to take the python with him for this journey. He just left the python in the garden, but the python, however, managed to come with them. Okay, the grandfather promptly picked up the unwelcomed visitor into the garden and placed it over a branch of the guava tree. Now, question number 6. Why was there a commotion in the train? There was a commotion in the train because the python curled up in the wash basin of the toilet. Why? In search of water. Because of heavy meal, ज्यादा खाना खा लिया था, उसको पानी चाहिए था, तो वो टॉयलेट के वॉश बेसिन पे कर्ल करके बैठा हुआ था ताकि उससे उस पानी मिले. Now question number 7. Why did grandmother scold grandfather? ग्रैंडमदर ने ग्रैंडफादर को क्यों डांटा? Grandmother scolded grandfather because he had told her that he had got rid of the python, but he took it with him, and with all the time he had been hiding it from her. इसलिए डांटा क्योंकि ग्रैंडफादर ने ऐसा कहा था कि पाइथन को उसने छोड़ दिया, एक्चुअली छोड़ भी दिया था, बट he also didn't know why the python succeeded to come in the basket of food. Now question number 8. What happened when Aunt Mabel opened the lid of the basket? जब बास्केट को खोला अंट माबेल ने तो क्या हुआ? When Aunt Mabel opened the lid of the basket, she had found a python in it who was half asleep with an apple in its mouth. That is the completion of your question number B. And in our next class, we will see question number C, mean long type question. But before that, I requested you all the times that please read that particular chapter, whatever I read you properly. If you want to be a good student in English, go through proper way. Don't think. If you only remember the question and answer, you will get the good marks. No. You have to read all the chapters properly, either course book or literature or grammar book. Basically grammar. So please read this chapter once again, and in my next class I will discuss about question number C, which is long type question. Thank you.